I've spent 26 years in the hotel finance field, and I've learned one thing. The most dangerous numbers are the ones that look absolutely right. Your ADR is up, your labor budget is online, and your GOP looks healthy. But that's what your financial statements show. But what if I told you that there's a leak in your asset that's costing you thousands of dollars every day, and it's hidden in plain sight? Welcome to Something's Off. Don't get taken in by just what you see. Dig deeper to the actual truth. This is a new video series designed specifically for hotel middle managers who want to go beyond the surface. We aren't just looking at reports and what they show. We are looking for the glitch in the matrix. Financial statements often do not tell the whole story, but you must dig deeper. In each episode, I'll show you a report that looks too good to be true and probably is not true. Then we will unearth the real truth behind that mirage. Each episode will highlight a KPI that you need to be focusing on. That will skyrocket your credibility as a manager with stakeholders. You would want that, right? What are some areas we will be covering? Here they are, and they deal with every aspect of hotel performance: revenue, expenses, profitability, market share, and more. Let's find out what's really going on with your numbers. Because in the hotel business, something is always off